everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Welcome to launch day. If you didn't know, I just collaborated with Ofra Cosmetics. This is my first collab in 6 years of being on YouTube. I've included all of that information in the description box below. We are going live in just a couple of hours. I posted a swatches video yesterday, but today I'm going to be using these products to create a stunning beginner-friendly reverse smoky eye, which takes you literally less than 5 minutes to create. So I can't wait to show you how I did it. So without further delay, let's begin. I'm starting with an eyeshadow primer. I'm using Rare Beauty, but you're welcome to use a concealer if you don't have oily lids. I'm going to quickly spread it out with a concealer brush. Now, going back to my simple, convenient ways of makeup, I found this brush in one of the bronzers. I believe the one that I found it in was in a Benefit, either blush or a bronzer. You would have seen this kind of a brush. It's usually hidden in the back of the box, so we rarely use it, but I like to use it and I'll show you how. With this brush, I'm going to pick up this brown eyeshadow. This is the Ofra Pro palette. And then I'm going to place it at an angle in the direction of my lash line in the outer corner. And I'm just going to go back and forth, smudging it in the outer corner. Just a couple times, and now you have a stunning smoky outer corner. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighter. This is the Ofra X Smitha Deepak highlighter in Flash. With my finger, I'm going to apply it on my lid. And oh my god, every time I use this or swatch this, I have the same reaction. Flash is such an apt name for this. It's blinding. With a flat shader brush, I'm going to clean up the edges, and then with my finger, I'm going to blend it out with the eyeshadow in the outer corner. Now the lid makeup is done. You've added that contour in the outer corner to extend your eye shape, and then you've added that highlighter to make it pop. I'm going to be using the Ofra Gel Liner in my waterline. I'm taking a little bit in the back of a brush to apply it. And then I'm using this flat angled brush, dipping it into some black eyeshadow, and I'm going to simply stamp it in my lower lash line. All you do is stamp, 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 and when it comes to the outer corner, push. So you start pushing that eyeshadow that's left on that brush. That residue is what you'll be pushing outward and upward. That way you not only get that beautiful ombre, it's going to be really dark in your lower lash line, but when it comes to the outer wing, it becomes lighter as it moves upward. I'll sharpen the wing a little bit more with my finger. And then I'm going to be using the brown eyeshadow again to soften the black eyeshadow in my lower lash line. And that'll give you the beautiful smoky winged liner. You don't need to use a brown eyeshadow. In fact, you can just take a clean brush and smoke out that black eyeshadow itself. I'm using Flash again to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. Before I apply mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm using the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the HD Volumizing Mascara. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL19. I like these because most of the volume is in the outer corner and they wing out. They don't cover my lid space as much. So if you have hooded eyes like me, I highly recommend lashes that wing out. And here is the finished reverse smoky eye look. It looks glam and it's so easy to create. I hope you will recreate and tag me. Let's finish up the rest of the face. I'm first going to use that same brown eyeshadow to add some dimension by bronzing my face. I bought this angled brush from the drugstore maybe like 15-20 years ago, and I still use it, and it's finally, I think, dying because all the hair is coming off, but I've used it for a long time. With makeup and especially brushes, if you invest in good quality, you don't have to keep buying them. You can use it for a long time. I'm going to be using the Blushful palette for my blush. I'm just using on the highest planes of my cheeks. And using Flash again to highlight, and yeah, look at that expression. If you plan to buy anything from the collection, don't forget to use my code Smitha. You get a 20% off. So it almost comes to drugstore prices when you use my discount code. And I'm going to list it in the description box below as well. So do check that out. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the stunning Stand Out. In fact, the stunning lipstick can be worn by itself without any makeup, and I'm going to post a video on that tomorrow. And it also doubles up as a blush. This is again from the Ofra X Smitha Deepak collection, and you can use the 20% off discount code for this as well. Again, that code is Smitha. That's it, my friends, and here is the finished look. This is proof that glam doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be time consuming. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to thumbs up as always. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Again, I've listed all the information about today's launch and products and everything in the description box right below this video. So make sure to check that out. And I love you guys so much. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.